Color grading is not about saturation, it is about hierarchy. In this advanced tutorial, you will learn how professionals guide attention through controlled color dominance. We explain how to establish a primary color channel, suppress competing hues, and maintain perceptual balance. This approach avoids oversaturation while creating strong visual identity. You will also learn why random color tweaks cause visual noise and how intentional color prioritization creates clarity. This workflow is essential for branding, cinematic imagery, and commercial consistency. Once you understand color hierarchy, your edits will feel intentional instead of reactive. Follow for more advanced Photoshop thinking that actually scales.